When it comes to cloud storage, Google Drive and iCloud are two major options, each catering to different users and ecosystems. Google Drive is known for its integration with Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and Slides, making it ideal for collaboration on documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. You can share files with teammates, set permissions for viewing or editing, and work in real time. While Google Drive's powerful search and organization tools make it easy to find files even in a large library. Free storage is generous at 15 gigabytes, shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. iCloud, on the other hand, is designed primarily for Apple users and integrates seamlessly with iOS, macOS, and iPadOS devices. iCloud automatically syncs files, photos, and app data across your Apple devices, making it perfect for users who live in the Apple ecosystem. Collaboration is possible with iWork apps like Pages, Numbers, and Keynote, though it's not as widely used for teamwork as Google Drive. iCloud offers 5 gigabytes of free storage, which is more limited, but paid plans can expand storage significantly. In terms of accessibility, Google Drive works across all major platforms: Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, making it versatile for mixed device environments. iCloud works best with Apple devices, though there is a web interface and Windows app available. Security is strong on both platforms. Google Drive offers encryption, two-factor authentication, and advanced sharing controls, while iCloud provides end-to-end encryption for certain data, two-factor authentication, and strict privacy policies for Apple users. Ultimately, the choice between Google Drive and iCloud depends on your devices and workflow. If you use multiple platforms or rely on Google Workspace apps, Google Drive is likely the better fit. If you're fully invested in Apple devices, iCloud offers seamless syncing and convenience across all your gadgets. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cloud storage comparisons, productivity tips, and ways to optimize your digital workspace in 2025.